This is it, the 2022 Little Budworth and local community Oulton Park Villagers Day. It's a day that allows anybody in earshot of the racecourse to enjoy the racecourse. Here we go.
Firstly, thanks to everyone for coming today. Yet again, a lovely summer's sunny day for Villagers Day. It's fantastic we've got to a point where we can run these days again and we can all be in the same room together.
The Oulton Park Villagers Day is really a spectacular day. It's full of white knuckle adventure and fun and driving and playing with the toys at Oulton Park, and as residents we get to hear them almost all year, but we don't get to play with them. It's a wonderful thing that they do. The villagers are really grateful, but most importantly it's the atmosphere of the staff and the venue. Yeah, it means a lot. Thank you, Oulton Park.